Howdy food reviews here of Frencheez pulled pork tacos. So these come with the pulled pork, Chipotle mayonnaise, and coleslaw, but I don't like coleslaw, so I asked for just the Chipotle mayonnaise and the pulled pork. Those are really good. Wow. I've never had tacos like that before. Those are really good. I also got French fries as well. So every time I want to give Frencheez tacos, they never have them. So this is the first time having their tacos, and I really, really like these. They also had today, they had chicken and beef tacos, but I got these instead because I thought these would be really good. Wow, these are really good. As you know, I've reviewed a lot of Frencheez food before. Their burgers, their different types of fries, their Michigans. These are really good. This is probably my favorite item that Frencheez has, besides like their like nachos or their fries that they have, and their burger's pretty good too. I don't know, their food is really good, to be honest, and not very expensive either. It's actually reasonable price. So I give this meal a total out of 10 out of 10. This is really good. Peace.